Welcome to our guide on installing the latest Delta Executor for Roblox iOS version 2.683. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know. Before we dive in, let's discuss the compatibility of Delta Executor with iOS devices and the requirements you'll need. Here's how to download Delta Executor version 2.683. Head over to the official website and click on the download link. To install Delta Executor, open the downloaded file and follow the prompts on your iOS device. It's straightforward. After installation, let's set up Delta Executor for first-time use. Open the app and enter your details. Now, let's navigate the Delta Executor interface. I'll show you some of the key options available. While using Delta Executor, it's crucial to keep safety in mind. Here are a few tips to ensure a secure experience. If you encounter any issues during installation, don't worry. Let's troubleshoot some common problems. Finally, keeping Delta Executor up to date is essential. Here's how you can check for updates and install them. That wraps up our guide. We hope this helps you make the most out of Delta Executor for Roblox on your iOS device. Happy gaming!